Today, we'll be taking a look at the drive belt on this Whirlpool top-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To start, we've gone ahead and put the unit on its side, and in order to access the portion under here, we need to remove this pulley cover. It is held on by two 5/16 screws, one on the bottom, then one on the top. We will lift off on the cover and set it to the side. Now that we have the cover removed, we have clear access to the drive belt. Now, the main reasons why you would be replacing your drive belt would be, one, if it is not spinning or agitating, and a lot of times you may find that the belt is actually broken, or it may be squealing. And in order to identify if it's the belt causing it to squeal, you'll want to look at the main pulley, and a lot of times what I'll find is kind of rubber marks stuck on the pulley where the belt is slipping. If this is the case, it will need to be replaced. Now, in order to replace it, simply pull off one side, give it a twist, slip it off, and set it to the side. When installing your new belt, what we'll do is start on the motor pulley, put it around, start to drag it around your main pulley, twist while holding it, and keep sliding it up on your motor so that it stays in the correct spot. Now we can reinstall the cover. When reinstalling your pulley cover, first just simply line it up, and we are going to put the bottom screw in first, just to make sure we keep lined up at the top. Reinstall the top one, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.